Hi, if you're watching this video, you're either looking to get a verification of status document from IRCC, or you're looking to replace an immigration document that you've lost or that has been stolen. So today I'm going to share all the resources you need, the processes from start to finish, straight to the point, and basically everything you need to know about replacing your immigration document. You're going to find it here. Before you go ahead with this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. There are three major documents, four rather, documents that you need to file. Depending on your situation, you could also add a proof of urgency. You could also add the proof of urgency document as well. And every document you put together will be mailed to IRCC. I'm going to share all the information you need along the way. So the first thing is you need to fill the IMM 5009 form. When you fill the form, then you need to print out your receipts. The next thing is you need a copy of your ID. So please don't send the original copy of your ID to IRCC. IRCC doesn't return any document you send to them. So don't make the mistake of sending the original copy. Just photocopy. Then you need another ID issued within Canada, or you could send your birth certificate or just something that shows your identity. Basically, it has a requirement, and I'm going to share the resources with you. Then, depending on your situation, if you need your proof of your immigration document faster, or you need your verification of status document faster, you should also show proof of urgency. So let's get started. So the first resources or the first link I'm going to show you is where to get the IMM 5009 form. It's right here. When you click on this, automatically it takes you to the form. And basically it's about 4 pages, and you just input all the information that are necessary. You basically don't need to input everything. It could be work permit, it could be visitor's record. Just input any aspect that has to do with you. Then you need to pay your fees, right? So to pay your fees, just click on pay fees, and automatically it directs you to this page. Fee is $30. You pay $30 to IRCC, you print your receipts. Then next thing is when you get your fill the form, you print your receipts, you make photocopy of your ID, you show proof of urgency if that applies to you. You're gonna have to mail those documents to this address. So if you're using the Canada Post, you have to mail it to this address. While if you're using a private courier company, you mail it to this address. Then next thing, depending on your situation, if your application is urgent, IRCC has a requirement, and the reason had better be very, very important. Otherwise, you go through the normal processing time. And again, let me clarify, or let me state again that you need to mail it to this specific address. However, IRCC might not be able to confirm that they have received your document until it's your turn to process your application. So basically, the only notification you're going to get is from Canada Post or from the courier company you use that your document has been received by IRCC. You won't get any notification until your document has been input into the system. So it's possible that you're going to call IRCC, and IRCC will tell you that the document is not yet on the system. That's because they've not begun processing your application. So don't put yourself under so much pressure. Your application is going to be processed, but it's usually based on a need by need basis, right? If it's urgent, it gets processed faster, but if it's not urgent, it's going to go through the due process. And this takes me to the processing time. So if you're looking to replace a valid temporary resident document, the processing time is 5 weeks. If you're looking to replace a verification of status document, the processing time is 27 weeks as of July 17th, right? Processing time gets updated weekly, as you can see right here. If you're looking to valid temporary resident document, it's 5 weeks also. And if you're looking to amend immigration documents, it's 25 weeks. So don't put yourself under so much pressure. Just put your document together, another post or your choice of company that you want to make you use to document to IRCC. Put your document together, put it in an envelope, and send it across to IRCC. So hope you find this video very, very useful, and please kindly subscribe to this channel. I share resources that you find very, very useful, and the only way you can support me and make sure that other people get access to these resources is by subscribing and making sure that you share with your friends as well. So if you have any question, if you want to make any clarification, feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to respond to your question. Drop a comment. I will engage as much as I can. And yeah, wonderful day. Bye.